Good morning and welcome to the Global Eye Morning Reflections. Power is temporary, character is eternal. Today's reflection reminds us of a timeless truth. Power is never eternal, character is. Many of us spend our lives chasing power through wealth, position, authority, influence, or fame. Gradually, we begin to believe that because we are powerful today, we will remain powerful forever. But history and our sacred scriptures remind us of a very different reality. Every form of worldly power has an expiry date. आज आपके पास शक्ति हो सकती है, अधिकार हो सकता है, पैसा हो सकता है, लोगों का दर्द या सम्मान हो सकता है, लेकिन याद रखिए ये सब स्थायी नहीं है. One day, every throne becomes empty, every crown finds another head, every title belongs to someone else, and every powerful person must eventually bow before time. इसलिए भगवद गीता में भगवान श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन से कहते हैं, अगर आप पढ़ें चैप्टर 2 वर्स 14 में, हे अर्जुन, इस संसार में सुख दुख, मान अपमान, लाभ हानि और जीवन की हर परिस्थिति आती और जाती है. ये सब अनित्य है. दैट मीन्स दे आर टेम्पररी. इसीलिए इनके आने या जाने से अपना संतुलन मत खोना. जब सुख और दुख ही स्थायी नहीं है तो पद, प्रतिष्ठा, धन और शक्ति कैसे स्थायी हो सकते हैं. और फिर भगवान कृष्ण हमें अहंकार के बारे में भी एक गहरा सत्य बताते हैं. भगवद गीता चैप्टर 3 वर्स 27. प्रकृति के गुण ही सभी कर्म करवाते हैं, लेकिन अहंकार से मोहित व्यक्ति ये सोचने लगता है कि सब कुछ मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. यही अहंकार इंसान को यह भ्रम दे देता है कि उसकी ताकत हमेशा उसके साथ रहेगी. लेकिन समय हर अहंकार को तोड़ देता है. Power itself is not wrong. The real question is, how do we use the power entrusted to us? If power gives birth to compassion, justice, humility and service, it becomes a blessing. But if power creates arrogance, pride and oppression, it quietly begins to destroy the very person who possesses it. The Ramayana gives us one of history's greatest examples through Ravana. Ravana was one of the most learned scholars of his time. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, an extraordinary warrior and the mighty ruler of the golden kingdom of Lanka. He possessed knowledge, he possessed wealth, he possessed unmatched power. But he failed to conquer one enemy, his own ego. He believed that no one could question him, no one could defeat him, no one was greater than him. And that very arrogance became the reason for his destruction. His palace disappeared, his kingdom disappeared, his power disappeared. But his arrogance is remembered as a warning for generations. On the other hand, Lord Ram never allowed power to become pride. Even as the prince of Ayodhya, he chose duty over comfort. Even after becoming king, he ruled with humility, compassion, and justice. That is why people remember not merely his kingdom, but his character. True strength is not in controlling people. True strength is in controlling yourself. आज अगर भगवान ने आपको शक्ति दी है, चाहे वो धन की हो, पद की हो, प्रतिष्ठा की हो या किसी जिम्मेदारी की, तो उसका उपयोग सेवा के लिए कीजिए, दिखावे के लिए नहीं. याद रखिए, आज जो ताकत आपके पास है, कल वो किसी और के पास भी हो सकती है. और एक दिन हम सबको इस दुनिया से खाली हाथ ही तो जाना है. ना कुर्सी साथ जाएगी, ना पद, ना धन, ना सत्ता. सिर्फ हमारे कर्म और हमारा चरित्र ही हमारे साथ चलेंगे. Today's reflection is very simple but powerful. Power may command respect for a moment. Character earns respect for eternity. Never be proud of your position. Be grateful for the opportunity to serve. Because when power is guided by humility, it becomes a blessing. But when power is ruled by ego, it becomes the beginning of its own downfall. Stay humble, stay compassionate, stay rooted in Dharma. Have a blessed day and stay tuned to the Global Eye Morning Reflections daily at 7 a.m. Namaskar.